In tonight's Dollars and Cents, there are significant changes for the 2025 tax year, especially for families. Parents could now save more on their taxes because of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act.
We're all aware of, how expensive childcare is and education is, and just simply putting food on the table for families.
Back in 2017, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act doubled the maximum child tax credit from $1,000 to $2,000 per child. As we told you in previous Dollars and Cents coverage, that act was set to expire at the end of this year. But the passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill this 4th of July made the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act permanent, locking in that doubled child tax credit starting in 2025 and further boosting the credit to a maximum $2,200 per child. The credit will also be adjusted for inflation starting in 2026.
So it might not sound a lot, but from a percentage standpoint, it's a huge increase.
Keep in mind the changes to the child tax credit also come with more stringent Social Security number requirements. Your Social Security number, or your spouse's if you're married filing jointly, will be required along with the qualifying child's to claim the credit.
This isn't a deduction. This is an actual credit, which means dollar for dollar, you actually are getting this money back from the federal government rather than a deduction from your income.
Basically cash in their pockets?
And when it boils down to it, that's exactly right. And I think it's important for people to understand, and certainly the bill is very controversial for a myriad of different reasons, but specifically to the topic that we're talking about, more from the economics, could be a benefit to a lot of the ABC 10 viewers. I think there's absolutely no question that for most viewers, there should be more money in their pocket because of the reduction in their obligation to Uncle Sam at the federal level, and that's definitely a good thing.
So here's what hasn't changed. According to Jackson Hewitt Tax Services, the child tax credit is still partially refundable, up to $1,700. That means you could still get some money even if you owe. For example, if you owe $500 in taxes and qualify for the full $2,200 credit for your child, you will get up to $1,700 per child back as a tax refund. Remember, the conversation doesn't end here. We dive deeper into the new tax deductions and credits from the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, streaming now on our free ABC 10 Plus TV streaming app. And remember, your money questions have answers. Email me at lpainter@abc10.com.